Hello my friends, so how are you? So today I'm gonna show you new project name is evidence management system using blockchain. So this is a blockchain project. Before proceeding to this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and you can visit our website and channel. You will find there like lots of project. So now for this project, what you have to do, you have to download this project, and then if you don't have, then you can take from us, and then you have to open Visual Studio Code, and then you have to open file, open folder, and then you have to open this project folder. When you will open, it will look like this, and then you have to click on this app.py, then you have to click on open direct terminal, and then you have to click give one command which is python app.py, and then this is running on this link. So when you will open, it will look like this. Then you have to enter your name. Suppose that there is evidence of a criminal. Suppose that a criminal name is Salman Bhoy, and his age is 58, and evidence is that he killed few peoples by rash driving, and few suspects like Manoj got view that he was driving. So this is we taking an example. This is not any serious thing. So an UID means like this an PAN card, Aadhaar card, or something like that, or unique identification ID. So suppose that we take as like 23, 32, 45, 6, something like that, and then you can add record. This is for a specific name of criminal or something like that, for any people, and then click on add record. So when you will do, you will get your record added to blockchain successfully. You have got a user ID. You can copy this and you can save this. Even not, then this will be saved in this website itself. Suppose that if you want to see this, then you can just give this unique identification ID and click on this. So Salman Bhoy, age, evidence, timestamp, we got the unique hash as in the blockchain. So this will be always be recorded, and we got the hash for this, which is a unique address itself. Now come there. Suppose that there is an another person, that person name is Vijay Talya. So age 67, evidence, he got thousands of crores of money from TBI bank and didn't return as of now. Suspects are few bank managers who saw and have his sign on papers. So unique identification ID, suppose that I keep as 8, and then add record. So I got this, so I can copy this, I can paste it here, get record. See, everything record is stored. Suppose that I want to see the previous record, then I will either, I can click on this, I can give a new identification ID. I got Salman Boy. Suppose that I want to check all the evidence we given today or before or something like that, then click on this. You got Salman Boy, Vijay Talya, age, unique identification ID, evidence, hash, previous hash, blockchain hash. So this was your project. This is a blockchain project. So this is one of the cool project. If you need this project, you can reach out to us and we will send you. So don't forget to visit our website, which is finalproject.in, and you can reach out for anything. You can contact us through WhatsApp or mail. We have lots of project. You can visit our YouTube channel too. You will find projects on different domain like machine learning, blockchain, cryptographic, data science, and etc. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.